How can we export our Figma creations as a simple image, PNG or maybe JPEG? Simply select the area you plan to export. If you don't select anything, you will be exporting the whole document. So in my case, I want to export just this one frame here. So I click the name of this frame or select it from the layer list here. And now on the right side here, scroll all the way down to see the export option. It should be the lowest one at the very bottom. Click plus to see more export details. Here you can decide about resolution. We can add some kind of naming convention here. Type of the file, we can choose between PNG, JPEG, there's even vector SVG and PDF. You can click preview to see which part of your project will be exported. If you are not happy with the preview, be sure you selected the correct part. Alright, that's exactly what I need, so I click Export Sample. And here it is, I already got this image in my Downloads folder. Perfect. So that's how you can download your project or part of your project as a simple image using Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. You can learn more in the next video.